Hi everybody. I am playing around with alcohol inks today, and I want to make some pages for a journal I'm making, so I figured I would just have you guys tag along with my process and see what you think. I made these alcohol inks using permanent markers and 91% alcohol. It's a 3-ounce bottle, and I filled it halfway up with the alcohol, and then I put the marker in along with the little nub that's in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little nub in the bottom of this bottle. And then I let it sit for a little bit and then filled it the rest of the way up with the alcohol to get the desired color that I wanted. And it was a whole lot cheaper. I paid like $2 for the alcohol, and I paid $1. No, actually it was like $3 and something for the permanent markers. And I just use a generic brand. I don't use, the Sharpies. I mean, you can. They're great. But I like some of the odd colors that I get with some of the generic brands. And I think that they work just as good a lot of times, because you do get more variety of color than with just using the Sharpies. But I like the alcohol effect on the papers. And then if I want to, I can cut them up and use them for cards, tags, just about anything. I can decoupage on them, and I like that. And to me it's kind of like, I don't know, Junk Journal's version of street art, because you can get some really, really cool effects with the alcohol inks. You can even put a stencil on here, and you'll have, a little bit of an image on top of your papers. I'm also going to, I want to find some orange or brown. Let's try brown, because I want to get it a little bit there. That's what I was going for right there, that color. The reason, it's got this really cool copper paint that I want to use, and I want to see what it's going to do. And see if I can just add some more interest to my papers. I know you're probably screaming at me, why did you do that? Well, I just wanted something. This is going to be a background page, so I want to add a little bit more interest to it. And see that? The copper's got a little bit of shimmer. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but I like it. And then I've got a gold that I want to use for the others, but I think I'm just going to splatter that on. See if I can get it to do its thing. And then every lip stitch have something going on. You ever feel like one of those days when you know you're not going to be able to walk, talk, and chew gum at the same time? That's the day I'm feeling. Kind of shaky today. But it'll be alright. I'm fine. I always am. That's what I tell myself. So. And I just want the gold to be able to shine through on the different things, the layers that I'm going to put on these pages. So it doesn't have to be, I want the color to be there, but I want the gold to shine through too, so that it gets it just more, a little bit more interest. And then I'm probably going to go over this with some gesso, because I like that. Just the combination of paints, and it's just acrylic paint, but combination of paint, alcohol, ink. Yeah, I'm enjoying that. And I may just do a little more of this to fade that in. There's no rhyme or reason to how you do it. You don't have to be a wonderful, cultured artist. If it looks pretty to you, that's what counts. And if it's not as pretty as you think, well, gesso over it, add some more that's just how it works. So, and I like having some of the green being more prominent, because this is a garden journal. So, but I got the 91% alcohol. I got the spray bottles from Amazon, and just makes up some really cool pages any way you want. You can add more color. If you don't like it, just keep going. You can add a little more color to it to where it works the way you want it to. You can emboss these papers so that you can even add more elements. And like I said, I just like the green showing up. So, and there it is. I've been playing with the alcohol inks. I've got quite a few going on. This is how I store them. And this is why my grandson every now and then runs around orange, because his sister grabs hold of one and she starts spraying him down with it. Which, later on in the evening, I take an alcohol wipe or a baby wipe and I rub it off of him. But history repeats itself about once a week. So, I'm going to close for now. You guys have a good day. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to post them. And I will talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.